Warm greetings from Gazelle Safari Company. Congratulations on making it to the new year 2023. We believe that you're going to give us a chance and travel with us as your preferred DMC for Uganda and Rwanda. Gazelle Safari Company has proved itself as a worthwhile partner. When you travel with us, you know that you're working with a partner who understands the destination in and out. We know the destination, the beauty, the good, the bad, the worse. So that means we know where to take your guests and where not to take them. While working with us, we offer you competitive prices. What we offer you is just a fraction of what the competition will. And much as our prices are friendly, we are also friendly team. We rely on you to give us feedback, and we are very flexible. So we are willing to discount the tour if the need arises, and we are also willing to stretch the budget if the client wants extra packs. We are your partners. We are your eyes and ears on the ground, so that means we have to do everything in your interest without, of course, compromising on professionalism. If you would like us to carry on your brand image, and your brand ethos, we are also willing to brand as you in the destination. This offers continuity for your brand so that clients do not get confused about using multiple brands in one tour. Another major reason to work with us is because we offer you swift responses. During the working day, the most your inquiry can take is 2 hours before you receive a response. We work across time zones, so you will be rest assured to receive a response. Guests are our priority, and their safety is paramount. That is why over the years we have been working with AMREF to cover them and evacuate the guests in case of any problems. This emergency evacuation ensures that the guest is evacuated to the nearest hospital in case they encounter any issues while on the course of their travel. Working with Gazelle Safari Company will be the wisest decision you make this year. When you have a partner like us, you rest assured that everything is going to go your way, and then you receive your return on investment and more clients' bookings. Work with us this year and enjoy a peace of mind like no other. Again, a happy new year 2023, and I wish you all the best. From the team at Gazelle Safari Company, it awaits.